Might be a cover-up trying to obscure that line all of a sudden because he keeps flying on it and then doing circles. So you can't obscure what you've done for at least a week. Here he is right here. He's right there. Yeah, so that's what they're doing. It's just so stupid. Like, you have all the time in the world and all the resources and you come up with stupid stuff. So he's done that a few times now, probably 5 times. He's done circles while continuing on the line, and then he circles and continues. Like he's doing another circle there. Just a civilian frolicking. So he's right there in a right hand circle. And now he's coming back out over my roof. He's right here coming straight. So now he's coming perfectly over my roof, straight towards me. He'll go straight. If you go straight, he'll go right in between 24171 and 181 when he crosses over my street. So now he's turning right towards 24162. Circle on my roof right now. What's the probability of a civilian earlier, even within an hour, which is the case right now, doing a circle on my roof, and then another random one doing a circle on my roof? It's not even a possibility. So here he is. Cut and save. Now he's doing a left-handed circle right over my driveway.